Alright everybody, welcome to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you install ChromeOS Flex on PC or laptop. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. But before that, or before we proceed on, you want to make sure to remember some of the requirement to install ChromeOS Flex. First thing, you'll need a USB pen drive with at least 8 GB or more storage, and Windows PC with an Intel or 86 by 64-bit processor, and ARM processor are not supported yet, at least 4 GB RAM or more, and internal storage must be 16 GB or more. So you could check your computer is certified to run Chrome OS Flex or not. First of all, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and install the Chromebook Recovery Utility Chrome extension using the link. So I'll make sure to leave the link as well, and it is an extension that will allow you to flash the ChromeOS builds on your USB driver. Next, you need to open the Chromebook Recovery Utility and plug in your USB drive. After that, click on Get Started at the bottom of the page. On the other fields, you need to select a model from a list options. As you've done it so, then click on select the manufacturer drop-down menu and choose Google Chrome OS Flex. From the next drop-down menu, select Chrome OS Flex now. Click on the continue button, after which to your USB thumb drive and click on continue. Finally, click on create now, and then the Chromebook Recovery Utility will create a bootable Chrome OS Flex drive. This whole process will take anywhere from up to 10 to 15 minutes. So once the flash processing is completed, restart your PC and press the boot keyboard. On the boot section page, you need to select your USB drive using the arrow key and hit enter. Now you could see this sort of page that is welcome to Cloud Ready 2.0 screen will appear, and here you want to click on get started. After which you want to make sure to go ahead and select explore Chrome OS Flex and try it first and click on the next button. As you've done it so, now then, once you're sure that you want to install Chrome OS Flex, open the quick settings panel and from the bottom right hand side corner and sign out. Next, install the Chrome, after which you want to install the Cloud Ready at the bottom left corner. Finally, click on install Cloud Ready and you've successfully installed it so. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.